Welcome to the fourth episode of Tour the World. In the last episode, we traveled through Geneva, a marvelous city in Switzerland. Today, we'll explore Lausanne, which is about 67 kilometers from Geneva. It took us less than 1.5 hours to travel from Geneva to Lausanne. Both cities are located on the shores of Lake Léman, or Lake Geneva. Throughout this series, we'll take you to various places using our special 4K drone camera. All these videos feature real drone footage captured by us over the last 2 years. We'll not only show you beautiful places to visit, but also share their short history and other interesting information. As I mentioned before, Lausanne is situated on the shores of Lake Léman, also known as Lake Geneva or Lacus Lemanus. This lake originated from a Rhone glacier and is primarily fed by the Rhone River. It was formed when the Rhone glacier melted after the last ice age, almost 15,000 years ago. The lake is crescent-shaped, with the north bank and two sides being Swiss and the south bank being French. The border runs through the middle of the lake. Lake Geneva is one of the largest lakes in Western Europe. It is approximately 72 kilometers long and has a surface area of 582.4 square km, with 348.4 square kilometers in Switzerland and 234 square kilometers in France. It has a depth of more than 300 meters. At least 30 different types of fish are found in this lake, including true ferra, perch, pike, trout, Arctic char, crayfish, and many more. Many birds migrate to the lake as it lies on a migration route between the Alps and the Jura Mountains. Around 150,000 birds and ducks come from Scandinavia and even Siberia to spend their winter near this lake. The lake has beautiful grayish-blue water and is great for swimming. There are many tourist attractions around Lake Geneva, so I highly recommend visiting it. Parking is conveniently available near the lake. The landscape and climate around the coastal area are stunning. There are a couple of beautiful fountains close to the beach area and swimming pools nearby. Many people own boats for summer adventures, and we saw hundreds of them along the coast. The coast is very clean with lush green landscapes all around, making it perfect for picnics. The municipality of Lausanne has a population of about 140,000, making it the fourth largest city in Switzerland after Basel, Geneva, and Zurich. We found Lausanne to be very clean, with lush green landscapes along the roads and within the city streets. The buildings in the new town of Lausanne seem to be newly renovated. The streets were not overcrowded with traffic, providing a peaceful environment. During the 11th century, Lausanne developed into a political, economic, and religious centre, becoming the hub of secular rule for the bishops. In 1923, the city was the venue for the signing of the Treaty of Lausanne, which established the modern Turkish Republic after their defeat in World War I. Lausanne is home to the International Olympic Committee headquarters, the Olympic Museum, and the Lakeshore Olympic Park. Away from the lake, the hilly old city has medieval shop-lined streets and a 12th century Gothic cathedral. At the heart of the old town, the majestic Lausanne Cathedral overlooks the city. Considered one of the most beautiful Gothic monuments in Europe, it attracts more than 400,000 visitors every year. Next to Lausanne Cathedral is the Université de Musée Bibliothèque. The University of Museums and Libraries, UMB, is an academic institution dedicated to the promotion of cultural heritage. It offers training programs in museology, archival science, and library science. Additionally, it regularly hosts exhibitions, conferences, and workshops to raise public awareness about the importance of cultural heritage conservation. Lausanne is an amazing city and we really enjoyed it. We highly recommend visiting. We value your feedback on how we can improve our videos. In the next episode, we will take you through another magical city of Stabio in Switzerland. Stay tuned for the next one, and until then, goodbye.